Hello there and welcome to the Lower 6th Further Maths Core Specimen paper and the video solutions to go through these questions. Here we're working on question 1, a matrices question. So here we have matrices P and Q that represent transformations P and Q. The linear transformation M is formed by doing P first and then Q second. So if we're to make up a matrix that has the transformations P and then Q, the order in which we multiply these matrices is in reverse. So that's the key part to this question. So we're effectively now doing -1, 0, 0, 1 times by a half. I prefer to keep these fractions in the matrix. Doesn't matter if you keep the half out at the front. 3/2 and a half. Okay, so you could do this on your calculator, but it would probably be easier just for you to do it by inspection. So the first one is -1/2. The second one is -√3/2. Next one is -√3/2. And the last one's a half. So the way we multiply these matrices, we go along the row in the first column and down the rows in the second matrix. Okay, so this is our transformation M. Okay, part B, show that the invariant points on the linear transformation form a line stating the equation of this line. So if you've got an invariant point, when you apply this matrix, that invariant point will not move. Okay, so what we can say here is that when we apply the transformation matrix of this to a coordinate xy, then that coordinate, if it's invariant, is still going to remain at the coordinate xy. So expanding the left hand side, we'll get -1/2 x -√3/2 y. So that's expanding the top part of this matrix, so that will equal the top part of the right hand side x. So if I add half x to the other side and double it, I'm going to get -√3y equals 3x, and if I then divide by -√3, I'm going to get y equals -√3x. Okay, that's the equation for the top row. Let's just make sure that matches up with the bottom row, just to check our answer. -√3/2x, add half y will equal y. So taking the half y onto the other side and doubling it, I'm going to get -√3x equals y. Okay, there we are. So I got that twice. So that is the equation of the line y equals -√3x. Okay, that's 5 marks.